Today I read a book. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother John. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Hiccups. Peppa, John, Mommy, and Daddy are having breakfast. It's a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and John can't want to go into the garden today. Mommy, please, can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. Joe, don't bring your shoes too quickly. Joe brings his shoes too quickly, and now he has hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? Not well, Chalk had hiccups. But Chalk's hiccups have gone. Mommy, haven't they, Chalk? Oh, all right. You can go out to play, but look at your Chalk. Peppa and Chalk are loving happily playing in the garden. Chalk, I'm going to throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. Chalk, please stop hiccuping. Chalk, now you throw the ball to me, and I have to catch it, Chalk. Oh dear, Chalk's hiccups are spoiling the game. Chalk, I know how to call hiccups. You have to tell me what I say. Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good. Now your hiccups have gone. Peppa's call for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked. Joe, you have done it so wrong. I know a better way to the hiccup room. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now, wave your arms up and down and stick your tongue out. Now, close your eye and turn around quickly 3 times. Peppa's new curl hasn't worked and trusted in her hiccup. Oh, I know. Do you hear hiccups? Like your dicky, so might give a shock. Joe, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember, it's only a game and it will stop your hiccups. Remember, this just scary. Who? Peppa, you mustn't play so early with Joe. He's only little. Sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop Joe's hiccups. Joe's hiccups have gone. Here comes Daddy. Will to brush off shoes. Joe, if you don't do quickly, you'll get real hiccups again. I'm not as little as Joe. I can't drink just as quickly as I want to.